Sweet shortcrust pastry recipe. Now, if you're looking for a sweet pastry recipe, then look no further because this is an easy method. Just follow these rules. So in a food processor, you're going to want to put 200 grams of plain flour. Then to that, you're going to add 25 grams of icing sugar, followed by 120 grams of cold cubed butter. And what you're going to do is you're going to blitz this up until it's like breadcrumbs. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons of really cold water along with 1 egg that's been beaten. You're then going to put on the food processor and you're going to mix it until it starts to clump together. You'll see it there coming together quite nicely. Now here's my first top tip. You want to pop it into some cling film and place it into the fridge for 30 minutes before you use it. Otherwise it's going to be a sticky little disaster. When you want to use it, you want to make sure you flour your surface along with any rolling pin. And the other thing that I like to do is I like to keep moving the pastry about so that it doesn't stick too. This really helps. My other top tip is that when you roll it out and you've placed it into your baking tin, that you place the tin back into the fridge for 30 minutes before you fill it with any ingredients. Now, would you like a nice recipe to use with this sweet shortcrust pastry? This one's a good one. It is my frangipan mince pies. So do check that recipe out because it's absolutely gorgeous. And if you want the full written recipe, you know where to go. My website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.